Hello, welcome back to LeetCode Daily Live, where I do the LeetCode Daily question raw and uncut. So let's get started. So we have an easy today as well. So we want to merge two 2D arrays by summing values. Right, let's just look at what they want first. So you're given two 2D integer arrays, nums1 and nums2. So when it says 2D, it's actually like ID and val. Okay, so it's not like a matrix. It's more like n elements, but like each of them has an ID and a value. Each array contains unique IDs, and is sorting in ascending order. Okay, so merge the two arrays into one. So the only IDs that appear in at least one should be included. And so I think the question is like, what happens if they're the same ID? So each ID should be included only once. The value should be the sum of the values of this ID in the two arrays. So if the number ID does not exist in one of the two arrays, then assume its value in that array to be 0. Wait, if the ID does not exist... Oh, right, so if it is not in both of the array, we just ignore it? Or do we treat it as 0? Let's see. Yeah, we can just treat it as 0, because like we just... Oh yeah, we want the sum anyways. We don't want the max. Okay, so this is just very simple data structure things. Well, like algorithm things. So you can just use two pointer to do this. So let's just do that. So we have so pointer 1, pointer 2 should be equal to 0 and 0. So while pointer 1 is more than the length of nums1, and pointer 2 should be just strictly smaller. Yes, more than length of nums2. Well, what we can do is we can just check. So we have three scenarios. So either like the current pointer 1, like the ID of current of nums1 is smaller, then we want to process that first, right? Like, yeah, because like the final array has to be in ascending order as well. So we should have merged nums. So if nums1 pointer 1, so ID is the 0th element. If it is strictly smaller than nums2, pointer 2, then well, we just want to, like for merge nums, we just want to add that in first. So we'll do append, and then we just append whatever is in nums1 pointer 1. Another condition, well, and another thing that could happen is that if nums1 is greater, then so in this case we want to put whatever is in nums2 in. And actually, yeah, one more thing is when we are done like with that, we have to add that. The last case, like we have to increment the pointer, so it is looking at the next element now. The last case is obviously if they're the same. So if they have the same ID, then we want to do merge nums, append. Well, we can just get any of their ID. Oh, why is there yeah, okay. So we can just get any of the ID. But then oh wait, this is the whole array. Okay. The second should be the sum of both of the elements. And then of course, because we have seen that we have to increment for both of these. And outside, we want to make sure that like like it is possible that like we have like maybe the first array has like ID 1, 2, 3. The second is like 4, 5, 6. That means like we would have looked at everything like in the first array, but we haven't finished looking at everything in the second array. So like the next part is like we have to just basically append like all the remaining stuff in. So append nums1 pointer1. Yeah, we just want to put the whole thing in, and of course want to increment that. And then here, so so pointer 2, and then nums2 here, and we can just return merge nums. So unless I write up something buggy, I think it should be correct. Nice. Okay, done. Yeah, very simple problem, very doable. Just following instructions. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.